start this review on Marvelous Sheldon Shifter, I'd like to say sorry for not uploading in the past month, but I should be uploading daily now because I finally finished school. I have a massive 12 weeks of school, so...
Wow, my videos sucked then. I mean, look at the background, it's so bad, and what's that? What? Why is there a bag in my room? I mean, yeah, Sheldon Shifter, Sputter Stop, even my titles were bad. Let's see if I can do any better. Wow, that intro was just so bad. Even watching my old videos suck. I mean, if you guys like them, then sure. But back then I only had something like, I think it was 100 subscribers. Now I've got nearly 1,000. And I can't believe it enough. But today, we'll be doing yet another unboxing, I believe. I believe I've done an unboxing on that video. I'm not too sure. But an unboxing of Marvelous Sheldon Shifter, as I decided to call it back then. But this time, instead of doing one on the China version, I'll be doing one on the Thailand one. So yeah, let's start off this review of Sheldon Shifter. Of course, here is the car. We've got the ridge on the name tag. Of course, that's how I know most of these cars are Thailand. When I pick them up, I always check the ridge instead of going to the back of the package to find out if it's made in Thailand or not. Anyways, he's made by Mattel 3+ because of, I guess, small parts. There's the car. Nice artwork for Sheldon Shifter. Car's logo in the Next Gen series line. Of course, right there. Here's the back. He's made in Thailand. Pretty cool. Of course, there's cars on the back with Chris Roman, which I recently done a review on. Check that video out. I'll leave it at the end video as well. Anyways, the description reads, will the impressive Next Gen races break Lightning McQueen's winning streak? The answer is no, because McQueen wins in Florida 500, which Bruce does, and then, of course, McQueen retires. So technically it's a no, but we all know it's a yes. Anyways, cars on the back, Conrad, Sheldon, and Rich here. So yeah, pretty cool. And yeah, let's start off this review. Here is Sheldon Shifter out of the package, and yeah, like I said, he is absolutely marvellous, and I might say it like loads of times because Sheldon Shifter reminds me of chocolate milk, or chocolate milk mint, I should say, because the green represents mint and the brown represents chocolate, and I really do like Sheldon Shifter. So yeah, this is of course a Thailand versus China comparison. So I've got to shout out Piston Cup Productions, obviously, for starting this channel. And if anyone says, oh, you took Piston Cup's idea, Piston Cup Productions' idea. Well, actually, he's given me permission to. And me and him are like absolute best friends in the world of cars. So, yeah. Anyways, let's start off this review of Sheldon Shifter. At the front, we've got the normal Next Gen expression, which, as usual, let's actually turn on the flashlight so you can see better. It's about to go dark in the back. Yep, there's the expression. Got tiny, look at the tiny little fenders on the side. That is just so funny. Got lights at the top with this green bumper as well. On the hood here, we got these green little rectangles. We've got 3 of them, 1, 2, and 3. On the front, we've got Sputter Stop. Of course, there's a slogan too. There's the eyes, the Thailand plastic eyes, which is annoying. On the top, we've got 92 in this white colour. And then green stripes here, again in these rectangles. Very nice. Of course, we've got the roof flaps there. We've got the support / window bars here as well. Here is this spoiler, which reads Sputter Stop. He has the Tim Treadless spoiler. Very nice. It is this green colour, and if you feel it, it's got this weird feel to it. That's pretty cool. Here is the side of Sheldon Shifter now. We've got the light year tyres in this green colour, a bit like Chris Roman actually. We've got sponsors, Piston Cup, Carbon Cyber, Combustor, and Synergy, the 3 new racers sponsors. Got these more rectangle shaped going across the car, 92 and Sputter Stop, brown stripes coming across, and we've also got these rectangles here too. Arrow here to indicate the pitty where to lift him up at a pit stop, and of course we've got exhaust pipes there too. and there's a fuel cap to refuel him. Here's the back now. Very nice. We've got the rear lights here as usual. Got 92 here. Sputter Stop. Got these rookie stripes, and for some reason I think mine's got some small chip there, as you can see right down at the bottom. So yeah. And here is the base, made in Thailand. I believe the Thailand Sheldon Shifter is actually harder to get now, so glad to get it. Now comparing him to the China release at least. Very nice. The green rectangles are different, as you can see. The brown is more darker, so I do prefer the brown on this one, but it's just a shame it's one of the early releases and it's so blurry, as you might be able to see. Spoilers are the same, different colours though, you might be able to see on camera. And because the wheels are blurry, as you can see, there is this outline, this white outline around the rims, which this one really doesn't have. It's got a small one, whereas this one got a big one, but I like the China release more, in my opinion. If this was like released this year, I'll most likely go with it because it will look so much cooler. Yep, there's the base difference, so you know one's made in Thailand, one's made in China. Pretty cool. Now on to my Sheldon Shifter releases. There is this Fireball Beach version, which is the one of two Fireball Beach races I've got open. Because, well, I've got 3 Fireball Beach Sheldon Shifters, because there's one in a 4-pack and one as a single. Don't know how I got a second one. If you saw my haul video from about a week ago, you would have noticed that he was in it, so I got him in that bundle. So yeah, so move that one aside and compare him now. Of course, white base for the Fireball Beach. Pretty cool. Of course, this does not have rookie stripes because it is not mandatory after the first season. So yeah, and of course, for comparison, sorry about that guys, I had to pause that then for some reason. But yeah, anyways, as I was saying about the mini racer, we've got the mini racer Sheldon Shifter here. Of course, it's actually got an accurate spoiler. I'm not sure if Sheldon Shifter's spoiler is accurate anyways, but it's got this accurate spoiler at the back, which minis don't usually tend to have. The only thing it does not have is window support bars, as you can see on the China release. And actually, I should be really showing the Thailand one, because this mini is made in Thailand. So, what I'm going to do is quickly go over my Sheldon Shifter boxed cars. Of course, like I said, I've got a Sheldon Shifter boxed from the Fireball Beach. I've also got a China Sheldon Shifter box as well, as of course China, because China cars will become rarer over time, which will be pretty cool and pretty rare too. And I've also got this Fireball Beach Sheldon Shifter in this 4-pack here as well. I think it is a variant to the one released. That's pretty cool. I'll be going over that because I'll start talking about the Fireball Beach, and I don't exactly want to do that. Now on to the team. The most recent released one would be Dan Hallin for Sputter Stop. I really do like the cab with this white. Shame he didn't have a trailer, but he's pretty cool. You got to admit that. Of course, let's put Sheldon Shifter here in the background. Of course, we've got 2. Well, I've actually got 3 variants of Murray Clutchburn. I do not have Murray Clutchburn boxed for some reason. And in the state 290's favourite piston cup racer, I believe it is now. I'm not too sure if it is previously or whenever it was, but yeah, there is Murray Clutchburn. And here is also Murray Clutchburn. I've got 2 variants, one with the eye plate difference. If you collect cars, you know what I mean with the eyes. But yeah, let me know in the comments below, which is your favourite version of Sheldon Shifter. Let me put the Fireball Beach one here in the background, and the Mini too. So yeah, if you're new, please make sure to leave a like. Dislike if you dislike, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell notification button down below, and let's try and hit 935 subscribers by Wednesday. Until the next one, bye guys.